U.S. Treasury Department. How may I assist you?
Yeah, I got a message talking about something is going on with my information, saying I had a lawsuit against my name.
All right. Do you receive any case ID number along with that?
No, it didn't give me a case number. It just said return this phone call.
All right. Just hold on for a second.
Okay.
All right, ma'am. You there is a lawsuit filed against you. That's the reason we are getting calling you aware to make you aware about it.
A lawsuit.
And as per yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
There is an outstanding tax liability pending under your name.
Okay. Well,
So,
I mean,
and
how did that
I'm
happen?
you have there are many mistake and miscalculation have made which you have made while filing the taxes.
Okay, what
And
mistakes did I make?
may I know the last time when you have paid the tax?
I paid it this year. I just paid taxes this year. I had excessive amount to pay. So, yeah, I filed my taxes this year
Who is the
already.
one who take care of your taxes? Is there any CPA or H&R firm who take care of your taxes?
Well, Mania III take care of my taxes. He's my accountant and attorney.
Right, but there are many mistake and miscalculation. That's the reason I was asking you that. And while going on further, I want you to ask, is there any case ID provided to you on the voicemail?
No, I didn't get a case ID on the voicemail. That's why I was telling you. It just said to return this phone call.
All right. Can you provide me with your exact full name so that I can pull up your details and confirm that I am talking to the right person?
Yes, Anita, Anita, Head, Head.
All right. Sorry?
Anita, Head, Head is
Head.
my
All right.
last name.
All right. Just give me a moment so that I can pull up your details. All
Sure.
right. All right, Anita. As there is an affidavit against you, which is issued by IRS in the year 2019, and it states that there are many mistakes and miscalculation from the year 2014 to 2018. So have you
5 years.
any idea? Yes, ma'am. And do you have any idea in this year who is the one who was taking care of your taxes?
Like I
Is
told you before,
this
it was my accountant,
it was your
Mania the third.
attorney?
He's an attorney as well, but he's also an accountant.
All right, but there are many miscalculation and mistakes. So while going on further, I want you to grab a pen and a paper so that I can provide you with the case ID number, as well as I'll be going to provide you with the brief information about your case file.
Okay, I got a pen and a pepper here. I'm ready.
All right, you ready? All right, the case ID number is C as in Charlie, P as in Pennsylvania,
Yeah.
with numbers 78298. I repeat it for you. It's C as in Charlie, P as in Pennsylvania, with the numbers 78298.
So CP S and Papa 78298.
Exactly. And
Okay.
this is your case ID number, and also have a legal affidavit against you, which is issued by IRS. And now, if you allow me, I can read the affidavit to you so that you can understand the situation. So when I read the affidavit to you, please don't interrupt me in between,
Yes.
because the lines on which we are right now is being federally monitored and recorded by Internal Revenue Service, local police authority, Attorney General, as well as from the federal courthouse.
All those
So if you
people?
have any doubts,
All those
yeah,
agencies?
as ma'am, uh, they are the one who is going to take a means, who they are the officials who is recording and monitoring this line on which we are right now. I
Wow.
am a junior officer, okay, and they are the senior authority of your case file. They are the one who is have appoint me to make you aware about the situation
Okay, can I get your
at
your
this
name?
point of time. My name is Ronnie Wilson.
O-
It's R as in Roger, O as in Oscar, N as in Nancy, Y as in Yankee.
Okay, Ronnie Wilson.
Exactly.
Okay. Um, please
All right.
explain to me what's going on here because I had my certified public accountant and attorney, Russell Mania
Yes.
III, to fill out my taxes, and I did owe something, but I
Okay.
paid it.
You have paid. All right. So, ma'am, I go further with the affidavit and explain every single thing to you.
Yes,
Okay.
please do.
Yeah. So the affidavit states that Internal Revenue Service is pressing three allegations against you, which states count one, violation of federal tax regulation; count two, willful misrepresentation of information to a government organization; count three, theft by deception. The affidavit states that assessment done by the auditors of the Internal Revenue Service, they found many
He
mistakes
can't
and
hear
many
me.
miscalculations involving your income credited. So the judgment has been passed by the officials of the IRS, as the IRS records are different than what was reported by you on your tax return. The IRS also found that you are a regular taxpayer, and depending on that, the IRS come to know that it was not an act of an innocent negligence, but it was a willful act done with the intent to defraud the IRS. The IRS has discovered that strong evidence that you have failed to declare your actual amount of your income, which was higher than what it was mentioned, and you have wrongly benefited from the reduction, which you were not eligible for. This was not a result of innocent negligence, but we have a reason to believe that it was a willful act done with the intent to defraud the IRS. So first of all, before going further, I want to answer my question that it was a willful act done by you to defraud the IRS, or it was a mistake, miscalculation, done with you or your CPA.
Well, it obviously was a mistake. It wasn't done willfully. That's the reason why I need to call him
Or
because I need to let him know that my taxes were screwed up. So I'm calling to see why did it happen and what can we do about it.
all right. As going further with the affidavit, I have to transfer the call to the senior authorities, the the one who is taking care of the case file of yours. Okay, the senior authority. So that's the reason I'm transferring this call to the one who is there.
Okay.
Okay, just give me a moment.
Okay. I have to call Mr. Mania the third. He screwed up my taxes. Wow.
Hello, ma'am. Are you
Yes.
there?
Yes, I'm here.
Yes, my senior authority asked me to confirm that we are talking to the right person to by confirming by your mailing address, the physical mailing address. So can you provide me with that?
Okay, it's 1237
1237
Electric Avenue.
Electric Avenue.
Yeah, and it's in Nashville, Tennessee.
Sorry, can you spell it? Can you spell that out?
Nashville is,
After Electric Avenue.
well, you don't know how to spell Nashville?
All right, Nashville.
Nashville, Tennessee. Did you get it?
What's your zip code? Yeah,
37209.
37209.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, so now I'm gonna transfer the call, and he's the one, a better person to guide you further with the case file. Okay.
So I'll be able to ask him questions about the case because you told me, but you didn't give me a chance to ask any questions.
Sorry.
You remember you told me I could ask questions at the end, and you didn't give me a chance to. So if I talk to the senior, uh,
Yeah, as because ma'am, he's the one who is taking care of the case file,
okay,
and he's the senior authority. As I'm a junior officer, I'm his associate, so that's the reason. Okay.
okay. Is what type of official is he? Is he like a senior advisor, attorney? What is he?
Yeah, he is the senior authority. He's the senior of officer in U.S. Treasury. So
Okay,
he's the one who is taking care of your case file. So that's the reason I'm transferring the call to for him.
okay. Can I
Okay?
get your badge ID? Do you have a badge ID?
Yeah, yeah, sure, ma'am. My batch ID number is 2875.
Okay, 2875.
Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Just give me a moment, and you'll be going to connect to the senior, and he's a better person to guide you further. Just give me a moment.
Okay, I'll be waiting.
Okay, thank you for holding the line. Your line has been transferred to the senior auditor, Benjamin Reed, with the batch ID number 17019. Is this Miss Anita Had I'm talking to?
Yes. Yes, it's Anita
Okay,
here.
Miss Had, how can I assist you?
Uh,
Okay, Miss Had, how can I assist you today?
well, I was talking to Officer Ronnie Wilson. He told me I have case number CP 78298. He said that I
Mm-hmm.
owe some taxes. He didn't tell me how much the taxes was, but he said I could ask those questions to you.
Okay, no problem. I'll let you know everything, okay?
Okay.
So, firstly, I would like to inform you, ma'am, okay?
Yeah. What what you would like to inform me?
Uh, Okay, firstly, I would like to inform you, ma'am, that there has been some outstanding tax liabilities pending under your name, in which you have listed a primary suspect. And I'm talking about your federal taxes, which you have paid every year, which is either incorrect or you have made some mistakes while filing your taxes.
Wait, you say I'm a
So now,
suspect. Well, if it's a lawsuit, I'll be a defendant, not a suspect. How's I'm a suspect?
I'll let you know, ma'am. The call has been given to you. It's to just to inform you, okay, that there has been a lawsuit filed against your name about in tax evasion and tax fraud. And there has
Yes.
been a non-bailable arrest warrant against your name, which is on hold inside the federal court of Washington, D.C.
Okay, he didn't
So
tell
now,
me
at
that I
this
had
point of
a.
time,
He didn't tell me I had a warrant against my name. Wait a minute. He said
hmm
I just had a lawsuit. So if I had a lawsuit, he just told me that I just need to get that cleared. How you saying now I have an arrest warrant? So I'm a suspect?
I can see, yes, ma'am, I can see in my system, okay, that there has been a lawsuit filed against your name, which is on hold inside the federal court of Washington, D.C. And today is the last day to go ahead and forward out your arrest warrant to the local enforcement. That's the reason we gave you a courtesy call to know your intentions towards this case, like what you want to do at this point of time,
Well, I
okay?
haven't
So
heard
now
from the
first I'll let you
Nashville.
know.
I haven't heard from Nashville Police Department or anything like that. So how did this happen? And I didn't get any type of phone call or mail from my local authorities.
As we have already tried to send you a certified letters about this case on 14th of March 2019. The officer named Ralph Morgan, who was there at your doorstep with the legal certified letters about this case on 14th of March 2019.
Okay, what time?
Okay, but as I'm sorry,
What time did he come to my home?
it's between 2 to 3 p.m. at the noon, and as he found no one at your doorstep to receive this documentation and signed it, that's the reason it bounced back to the headquarters of Washington, D.C.
Okay, I
And
was at
then we
home at
had a
that
check on
time.
your records. I'm sorry?
I was at home at that time. Did he ring the doorbell? Did he
Yes,
knock?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, well, you must have not loud enough because I was at home and I was actually, I remember what I was doing. I was doing some work on my computer, so he must did not ring or not loud enough for me to hear it.
Okay. So now I will let you know what are this miscalculation and the incorrections due to the lawsuit has been filed against your name.
Yes, please
Okay.
do.
So as we had checked on your records between the years of 2014 till the year of 2018, we found that you are a regular taxpayer and you're paying up your taxes on time. But we found that you're making some mistakes. You are underfiling your taxes. And what this underfiling means, you're not like your taxes were being paid, but it wasn't being paid with an appropriate amount which you have to do from your end. Like I'll give you a fair example for it, where you are supposed to make a payment of $1,000 on your taxes. There we were just receiving the amount of $700 from your end, and the remaining $300 were being miscalculatedly filed on your taxes, which is being added to the bad tax amount that you owe to department between these years. And the total amount that you owe to Internal Revenue Department, it's $3,489 with 63 cents. I would
Okay.
repeat, the total amount that you owe to Internal Revenue Service Department, it's $3,489 with 63 cents. So now
Okay.
I want you to grab a pen and a paper handy, Miss Had, so I can provide you some important information about me, like my name and my batch ID number and your case number for the further references. Okay?
Okay. Well, I do have a breakdown of what I paid every year. So I do have a breakdown of what my CPA sent me. So Russell sent me the breakdown of every single year. So you said 2014, 2018, which is 5 years. So I have a breakdown of every single year. I have proof here. Who would I send that to?
I'm sorry?
Who would I send that to? I have a breakdown of what I have paid to the IRS. I also have a breakdown of what WrestleMania gave to me. He sent me a paperwork in the mail that shows me what I had paid to the IRS. So who
Okay,
do,
just give me a moment, ma'am.
okay.
Okay, thank you for holding the line, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Now, at this point of time, ma'am, okay, the call was given to you just to know your intentions towards this case, that what you want to do at this point of time. Like I'm having two options remaining for you at this point of time. It's option one, you can go ahead and hire a criminal attorney for yourself who would represent you inside the courthouse and fight this case against the Internal Revenue Department. And option two, if you want to resolve this case outside the courthouse without any legal consequences. It's your call, your intentions, ma'am, what you want to do at this point of time. Do you want to go ahead and fight back the Internal Revenue Department, or do you want to resolve this case outside the courthouse?
Well, if I go ahead and fight the case with a criminal attorney, what would be the actual process? Would it be easier to go ahead and just present my evidence in the case at the courthouse, or should I just go ahead and try another option?
Ma'am, if you would go ahead and fight this case against the Internal Revenue Department, and if you found guilty inside the courthouse, there would be a penalty of $60 to $90,000 or 5 years of imprisonment.
Ooh.
And if you would go for dissolvement option, you have to just go ahead and verify out your bad tax amount that you owe to Internal Revenue Department and take care of this case outside the courthouse without any legal consequences.
Nah, I can't go
All
back
right?
to I can't go back to prison. I went to prison years ago. Back when I was 20 years old. I went to prison for 22 pounds of cocaine. I can't go back to prison. Nah.
So, what are your intentions towards this case? Do you want to resolve this case outside the courthouse by paying out your bad tax amount, or do you want to take this case to the federal courthouse?
I picked none.
I'm sorry?
I picked none. I picked neither.
I'm asking you, ma'am, you choose neither?
I
Okay, no
choose neither.
problem, ma'am. Then what you can do, you can just simply disconnect this line from your end, and I will just proceed with the legal actions what you have to
You
do,
know why I
okay?
choose neither? Because you're a motherfucking truth, you're a scammer. That's what you are. Piece of shit. You a piece of shit. Shit stain under my shoe. That's what you are. Did you really think you was gonna get details out of me? Did you really think you was gonna scam me, you motherfucker? Fuck off. Oh, cat got your tongue. You can't say anything. Hurt your poor feelings. Come on. Come on, bitch. Come on. What's your name? Is it Ralph Martin? Come on, Ralph Martin. Let's speak. Come on. Come on, bitch. I see you still on the line. If you don't say anything, I'm going to call back. Okay, motherfucker. Have it your way. I'm calling back.
Hello, this is Officer Amy Ham with the Department of Legal Affairs. How could I help you?
Yes, may I speak to Officer Ralph Martin, please? Or Ronnie Wilson?
Ronnie Wilson or Ralph Morgan? What's your name, ma'am?
Yes, Anita Head.
Anita Head. Give me a few seconds.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Anita, thank you so much for being on hold. Your call has been transferred to Senior Tax Auditor Richard Connor. How are you doing today?
I'm doing just fine right now. I was asking to speak to Ronnie Wilson or Ralph Martin. Why did you answer the phone?
I'm sorry?
Why did you answer? I asked your partner to speak to Ronnie Wilson or Ralph Martin. Why did you answer?
Um, because I am the Senior Tax Auditor who is the case in charge officer for the case.
Okay, but you don't know which case, do you? You don't have my case number. You just have my name. So how you know which case it is?
I do have.
I didn't
Did I
say the
tell you I
case
don't have your
number.
case file number? Miss, he was supposed to get you transferred to me. Okay,
Not
but
to
because I was
you,
preoccupied with the.
to Ralph Martin. Ralph Martin was the senior officer on my case. Why did you pick
Yes,
up?
he is senior auditor. I am the senior case in charge officer,
Okay,
and
so
I
what
do
did
know
you
about
do?
you. Are you in your right state of mind?
Are you in the right state of mind, you macho motherfucker? Piece of shit
Is
scammer?
that your mother's name?
No, that's
Is
your
that your
mama's
mother's
name. Your
name?
look, my name is Yo
Okay.
Mama on
Help
GB
me with
Road.
your husband's name as well. I need
Now,
your
look,
husband's
and your
name as well.
husband, since you are
I
in
can
the
see that
closet, shut up,
he is
motherfucker.
called as an
Your
asshole somewhere.
husband, he's a
Can you help me
goat.
with his last name?
Aw, I'm telling you, your feelings hurt. Your feelings hurt. You didn't get any money
Okay,
out of
his
me.
word.
I, 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 I,
I have your
I, I,
first
I,
name
I,
as
I,
well.
I. That's
Is it
what you do. That's what you do,
okay?
motherfucker. You a Ben Kalodi. You a chutia Terry Maki chute. Aw. He playing. I can play phone tag too. You want to hear mine too? Yeah, we can play. Come on. Terry Maki chute, motherfucker. Wait, hold on a second. I get you to the Indian Goat Porn Service. Give me just a moment while I get them on the line because they want to talk to you. My name is Samantha. How can I help you? I was told there's a mother child on the line. Speak up, bitch.
Why did you
Aw.
get yourself fucked, you bitch?
You look, I'm gonna tell you right now, you won't fuck me at all. You won't fuck me at all. Aw. You triggered? Aw, he's triggered. Aw. You think that's hurting me? You think that hurt me, motherfucker? Fuck off. Fuck off, you motherfucker. Fuck off, you chutia. Gundu. Aw. Piece of shit. He's a piece of shit. Here's the remix. Talking to a dumb fuck. He's a dumb fuck. He playing phone tag. He playing musical meltdown. He's a piece of shit with no dick. Yes, he is. Aw. I'm telling you, the more you do it, the more I'm gonna call you. I'm gonna call you right back. You motherfucker. Look, you're a little boy. Little boy. He's a little boy, guys. Aw, he's hurt. I hurt his feelings. Aw, he didn't want to play. Aw, Chutia. Aw, your fingers got tired. Your fingers tired. You finally done with your little tantrum. You're a little boy. You're a little boy, you mother child. Little scamming piece of shit with no dick. You tired? You finally tired of playing musical meltdown with the phone? Only little boys do that when they ain't got nothing else to say. That's all they have. Tell you right now, you're a piece of shit stain. You're a shit stain under my shoe. Go take your tail to the field. Go get a goat and let him fuck you. Also lick a ghost pussy because you're not gonna lick anybody else's pussy because you're a mother chose scammer. I'm gonna tell you right now, if you don't say anything, I'm gonna call back. I'm gonna call back, you mother chode. Okay, have it your way. Calling back, motherfucker.
Thank you for calling United States Treasury Department. How may I help?
Who is this?
This is Officer Max Smith from U.S. Treasury Department. How may I help you, ma'am?
Is it Officer Dumbfuck? Is it Officer
Off-
Jackass?
no, ma'am. Officer Pussyfucker.
No, you're Officer Go Fucker. That's what you are.
Yeah,
You're a backward chord. You're a
I'm an
chutia.
officer Pussyfucker.
No, you're not a pussy fucker. You don't have a dick. You don't have a dick, motherfucker. You have a clit. You get a bitch? You don't have a dick. Look, you lick a ghost pussy. Yeah, bitch. Oh, you can't say anything? Come on. Come on. What's wrong, bitch? Motherfucking chutia. Gandu asshole. That's what you are. Bitch ass. What happened, bitch? Did I hurt your feelings too? If you don't say anything, I'm calling you back. Okay. See you in a few, you sucker.
U.S. Treasury Department of Legal Affairs, Officer Reed.
How
How can
much
I
was
assist you
it for
today?
how much was it for your mama's shoot last night? Tell me. 1 rupee or two? Come on, tell me. Tell me, bitch.
I'm sorry?
How much was it for your mama's shoot last night, bitch? 1 rupee or two? I know she on GB Road.
You don't remember?
Now,
You
I'm
don't
asking
remember?
you because I'm telling you right now, she gets discounts for her shoots. Her shoot's disease, just like your little clit is. You don't have a dick. You have a clit, and it's disease. Remember, your dick fell off because the men up there was fucking you, and all you guys diseases now. You little bitch. You a shit stain. You're a macho piece of shit with no dick. Now come at me, bitch. Come on. Aw, you silent. Did I hurt your feelings? Haven't had a woman talk to you like that? Aw. Yeah, you'll never see a woman in your life, you bitch. All you'll see is guts and those machos up there with no dicks. Yeah. Every time they try to fuck you, you have to scream in pain because they can't get to your asshole because your asshole is so stretched out. They don't know if it's an asshole or the chute. Now come on, bitch. Aw. See, this what happens when little girls can't say anything. They feelings hurt, so they go cry in the corner, y'all. Oh. Oh, they don't want to play anymore. I'm letting you know right now, if you don't say anything, your phone number will be passed around and your other colleagues will get my partners to call you. My army will call you. Gonna make your life hell. Piece of shit. Gandu Chutia. Bahari beggar boys. Yep, that's what y'all are. Yep. Suakabachi. That's what you are. Don't say anything. We're gonna call you all day. Okay. We're gonna call you all day, motherfuckers. Get ready.